Hello everyone, my name is Sharon Juliana. Today I want to tell about 150 tenses. Okay? Simple past tense. My school organized an industrial placement program for 11th grade students to help them gain real world experience. During the PKL, the students learn many new skills that they could not have acquired in the classroom alone. When I was in the 11th grade, I worked at a printing company in Jakarta, which was an eye-opening experience for me. I learned many new things about the professional world, such as how to communicate effectively and work in a team. Network with professionals in industry was one of the most valuable aspects of my internship. All the students applied the knowledge they had learned in class to their tasks during PKL. During my experience, I wrote daily reports about my activities, which helped me stay organized and reflect on my progress. The students complete their PKL assessment successfully, demonstrating their dedication and hard work. After the program, the students submit their PKL reports on time, meeting all the recruitment set by the school. My school evaluated the students' performance after the PKL to assess what they had learned and achieved. Based on the feedback from the PKL, the school updated its curriculum better prepare students for future internship. The company where we interned was very supportive and providing lunch for the PKL participants. Sometimes my school invite alumni to share their PKL experience, which motivate and inspired us. At the end of the program, students present their PKL findings in class, showcasing their learning and growth. The PKL was a transformative experience that helped students practice time management, explore career options, and prepare for the professional world. Past continuous tense. Last month, every Friday, I was preparing a report for my supervisor, which helped me improve my organizing and reporting skills. Last year, during my internship, I was participating using new software every day, which enhanced my technical abilities and made me more confident in using technology. Yesterday, at the company, I was learning about the company production process during my shift. Give me a deeper understanding of how operating works. Last week, I was delivering product samples to several companies, which allowed me to interact with clients and improve my communication and negotiation skill. During the PKL last week, I was learning about team work and in a professional setting, which taught me the importance of collaboration and effective communication. Yesterday, I was over observing how professionals work during PKL, which gave me valuable insight to their work ethic, problem solving methods, and time management. Last week, I was receiving quotes from professionals during PKL, which helped me negative change and growth both personality and professionality. All day last Monday, I was completing my PKL text, ensuring I stayed on track with my responsibilities and meet deadlines efficiently. Thought last week, I was taking notes during the PKL session to document my learning and progress, which helped me stay organized and focused. This morning, I was sharing my PKL experience with my friend, reflecting on what I had learned and exciting ideas about our respective internships. Yesterday, I was wearing formal clothes during PKL, which made me feel more professional and confident in my role. I was also following the rules during PKL yesterday, ensuring I ended to the company standard and made it a positive impression. Last week, I discussing my progress with my teacher, who provided me with constructive feedback and encouraged me to keep improving. Okay, next, past perfect tense. I had completed all my tasks before the internship period ended. I had submitted my internship report because the specific deadline. I had improved my communication skill during internship before I used them in presentation. And next, I had learned about workplace challenges during the PKL before I prepared myself to face them. I had practiced teamwork during PKL before I applied it in group assessment. I had completed my report before I submit it to my teacher. I had practiced time management during PKL before I applied it to my daily routines. I had learned about workspace technology during PKL before I applied it to my project. I had gained confidence during the PKL before I present my findings. I had received a recommendation for my supervisor after the PKL before I applied for jobs. I had learning about workplace professionally during the PKL before I applied into my behavior. I had completed my PKL reflection before I shared in with my classmate. Okay, next, past perfect continuous. I had been preparing for the PKL program for weeks before it started. I had been practicing my skill before the PKL selection process. I had been coordinating with my classmates about the PKL assessment. I had been talking to my parents about the PKL opportunities. I had been learning about the company profile before the PKL started. I had been working on my communication skill for the PKL. I had been asking my senior about the PKL experience. I had been practicing time management for the PKL schedule. I had been reading about the industry related to my PKL. I had been preparing my PKL presentation for weeks. I had been learning new software for the PKL text. I had been preparing my PKL attire for the professional environment. I had been learning about workplace exit for the PKL. I had been discussing the PKL challenge with my mentor. I had been preparing my PKL final report for submission. Next, simple present tense. The vocation school specializing. Simple present tense. The vocational school specializing in visual communication design offer a comprehensive curriculum for its students. Students learn various aspects of design, including graphic design, illustration, and typography. The school provides modern tools and software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to help students creative, innovative projects. Teachers guide students in developing their creativity and technical skill, ensuring they are well prepared for the design industry. The school emphasizes practical learning through hands-on projects and real-world assessment. Students work on design logos, posters, and advertisements for both for print and digital media. They also explore animation and video editing using 3D modeling software for some of their projects. The school regularly organizes workshops and invite professional design to share their experience. Collaboration and teamwork are key components of the school teaching philosophy. Students often work in groups to complete the project, learning how to communicate actively and share ideas. Students use digital tablet or PC and other advanced tools to bring their creative ideas to life. The curriculum also covers important topics like color theory, composition, and user interface design. Next, present continuous tense. The students at the vocational school are currently working on various design projects. Some are creating logo for local business, which others are designing posters for an upcoming school event. The teachers are guiding them through the process, providing feedback and suggesting. In the design studio, a group of students is experimenting with software tools, and their classmates are watching closely to learn from their techniques. Everyone is collaborating and sharing ideas to improve their work. The design studio is buzzing with activity as students working on their final project. Some are sketching ideas on the PC, while others are editing video for their multimedia assessment. A group student is discussing color schema for a branding project, and their classmates are joining them collaborate. The school is organizing a field trip to local design agency where students will gain real-world experience. The school is centrally updating its curriculum to include the latest design trends and technologies. Teachers are attending training sessions to learn about new software and teaching methods. Meanwhile, students are participating in a national design competition, and they are putting in extra hours to perfect their interests. The school is also collaborating the local business to provide internship opportunities for students. Anyone is working hard to ensure that the school remains a leader in visual communication design education. Okay, next, present perfect tense. In the vocational school has established itself a leading institution for visual communication design. Over the years, it has produced many talented designers who have gone on to work in prestigious agencies. The school has adapted its curriculum to include the latest design trends and technologies. Students have learned use advanced software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Many graduates have built impressive portfolio that showcase their creativity and skills. The school has made a significant impact on the industry. Its graduates have gone on to work in various creative fields, including advertising, animation, and web design. Many have started their own design studio and business. The school has also contributed to the community by organizing free design workshops for local residents. These initiatives have helped promote creative and design awareness in the region. Okay, next, simple future tense. The cafe graduates will have many business opportunities in the field of graphic design. They will create logo and branding for new companies. A designer will design posters for major events. Business opportunity in illustration will grow along with a creative industry development. They will start printing and merchandise business. DKV graduates will develop mobile application with attractive design. They will offer web design service for SMEs. Designers will collaborate with influencers to create visual content. They will explore opportunities in animation and motion graphic. And graduates will find many opportunities in the advertising industry. Designer will use the latest technology to improve the quality of their work. They will teach graphic design through online platform. DKV graduates will open their own design studio. They will work as freelancers for international projects. Okay, next. Future continuous test. Next year, DKV graduates will be creating design for major advertising campaigns. They will be working with well-known brands in the fashion industry. By 2025, many designers will be developing virtual reality contents. They will be collaborating with creative teams for various countries. They will be attending art and designing exhibiting regularly. They will be meeting potential clients at various networking events. Designer will be learning about the latest design trend worldwide. They will be presenting their work to investors. DKV graduate will be expanding the professional networks. Okay, next. Future perfect tense. In 5 years, DKV graduates will have created hundreds of designs for clients. They will have established their own successful design studio. By 2013, many designers will have won international awards. They will have complete major in various industries. DKV graduate will have mastered the latest design software. They will have built an impressive portfolio. Designers will have collaborated with world-renowned brands. They will have expanded their business to global markets. DKV graduates will have inspired many people through their work. They will have developed a unique and recognizable design style. Designer will have taught to hundreds of students through online courses. They will have contributed of the growing of the creativity industry. DKV graduates will have explored various fields like animation and AR or VR. They will have achieved financial success through their design business. Next, future perfect continuous tense. By 2013, DKV graduates will have been working in the creativity industry for 10 years. They will have been developing design for international clients for many years. Designers will have been improving their skill constantly. They will have been collaborating with creative teams from around the world. DKV graduates will have been exploring the largest design trend for years. DKV will have been managing their design business successfully. Designers will have been attending art and design exhibitions regularly. They will have been teaching graphic design to the younger generation. DKV graduates will have been inspiring many people through their work. They will have been experimenting with various design styles. Designers will have been balancing work and professional life. They will have been contributing to the growth of the creative industry. DKV graduates will have been built a strong professional network. They will have been creating work that influence the design world. Designers will have been achieving success through hard work and dedication. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for much for watching. Okay, see you. Bye bye.